Alright, if you have a course link that is available in one of your lessons and you are getting reports from your students that when they click on the link they don't see the item that it links to, and this happens a lot with discussion forums. It's possible that their course link is available but that the item itself isn't. So here we have a link and it is perfectly available to students. It doesn't have an availability warning showing to us so that we know that it's available to students, but when the student clicks on it, it's going to take them to, it should take them to the discussion forum, and I've named this forum Unavailable Forum. So that's what we would expect our students to see. However, if we view in our course tools and we use our handy dandy student view tool, if your institution has the student view available, we notice that if we go into our lessons area and the link is there available just as we expect it to be, but when we click on it as a student we get this unavailable resource warning, and that is not the title of our discussion, and it tells them that there is no access for students to that item right now. Like I said, this happens typically with discussions, but it can happen with other types of items as well. So as an instructor, if we have access to the student view tool, we can check that right away, and if we don't, we can use our demo student, or we can have our Blackboard administrators like myself check into that for us. Otherwise, if you don't have access to any of those tools or you want to check it a little faster, you can always go to where that item is linking. So in this case, in our lesson we had the discussion link and it looks available, and we did just confirm that with our student view tool. But if you didn't have the student view tool, you could go to where the link is supposed to take students. So in this case it's supposed to take them to a discussion. So let's go into our discussion forums, and we can see here discussion forum. This forum is currently unavailable, so that's why our students aren't able to access that material, and this will show whether it's a test or discussion or other types of items as well. So if you have reports from your students saying that they see a link but when they click on it it doesn't take them to the item and they're getting an unavailable message on their screen, those are some things that you can check for, and then it's just a simple matter of editing that item and setting that availability for students, and then students will be able to access that material. So hopefully this was helpful for you if you're getting those unavailable reports from your students.